Hey everybody, Justin Worden, and you are watching What's New in Electronics. We are here at IPC Apex Anaheim 2024. I'm with Gus Lugten from QSource. How you doing today, man?
Good, very good.
So you guys got a lot of movement going on. You're making a lot of, I don't want to say changes with the principles, but a lot of improvements in the sales process. So why don't you give us a quick introduction of QSource?
QSource is a distribution company. We supply to any manufacturer that's primarily most of our customers are medical device companies. We deal with a lot of semiconductor manufacturers, but anything within the assembly manufacturing environment, with the breadth of products that we have today, we could probably find some sort of solution for a customer.
Yeah, well, I think the interesting thing that you said there is right, finding a solution for a customer, because so much of sales and distribution in this industry is presenting an opportunity and trying to get a PO. You guys are taking a little bit of a different approach where you're really investing time and resources into that educational and service aspect of the sales process.
That's exactly correct. You know, we see ourselves more of a consultative relationship that we try to build with our customers, really searching to find what is the best options for the application and solution that our customer or the end user is trying to determine.
Yeah, that's very, very good, very well put, right? Because so many times the customer doesn't know what they want. You know, they may see a machine and go, hey, that's new and that's shiny and that's a price we can afford, but it's not always the right solution.
Right, absolutely correct. And that's really the challenge for a lot of these manufacturing applications. They don't, as you might expect, they would not be aware of all the potential solutions. That's part of where we come in. We can offer those, different options that could very well play into working what is the best solution.
Yeah, and with your line card specifically, I mean, you got a lot of the big brands. So that's kind of like an endorsement for you, right? QSource is working with some of the best brands in the industry. How long have you guys been around?
Yeah, we've been around for 40 years. Our company started in 1984. We've evolved for all those decades. And, so we're basically an international organization. We supply to the New York area. Of course, the website is e-commerce as much as many companies have today. We're continuing to try to evolve. We've tried to put our people in a position to be able to communicate any which way of what's the best preference of our end user and the customer contact. So whatever we can do to try to enhance the relationship and provide good answers, we're going to try to make that happen.
Well, I imagine you, over 40 years, you've seen the industry change quite a bit. I mean, and today we're at another one of those changes. The face-to-face sales aspect and being there in person to help someone out is never going to change. But you mentioned the word e-commerce, which, no offense, most people like you in this industry that long aren't saying that. So you've adopted that online sales into your organization?
Yes, absolutely. And quite often it is far beyond just the single transaction of somebody purchasing something via credit card. Companies will come to us, and from what they see on our website, it really the best scenario is for them to engage into a conversation with our customers, and it leads to a far better, more detailed determination of what might be the best product for that customer.
Well, and not only that, I mean, the industry is changing from an age demographic, right? And what I mean by that is people are getting younger,
yes.
Or the younger crowds are coming in, and some of these people don't even want to talk on the cell phone. They won't answer your phone. They want to text, or they just want to read something online. So the fact that you've adopted that allows you to accommodate that younger generation where they're not going to pick up the phone and talk to you.
Right, absolutely correct. And that's part of what I consider data. What I mean by that is understanding the end user, what is their preference and how they want to communicate, right? So we've invested in VoIP phone systems that can actually text directly to an end user. Again, understanding of what is the challenge at the end user and what answer are they trying to get. Our job is to try to provide that to them as quickly and as efficiently as we possibly can.
Well, Gus, I guess whether they want to talk on the phone, they want to text you, or they just want to go online and buy something without talking to anyone, hit up QSource. Gus here, I'll let you get back to the show.
Thank you very much, appreciate it.